Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Ricky, Mickey, and Ticky from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the left head. We'll start with 2 circles on an angle for the eyes. Then inside, let's add another circle at the bottom. And then color both of these in black. Now from the top eye, let's draw a curve out to the right. Then let's draw a bump underneath and in. Now let's hop back under the eye and let's draw a curve down and out like this. And then from the end, let's curve it back in. Now inside, let's draw a curve down and then another curve across at the end for the beak. Now let's add the neck by drawing 2 curves down and to the right. Now let's move over and draw the middle head. From the top neckline, let's bring it over to the right. And then let's draw a curve up. And then a wavy line on the other side for the neck. Now let's leave a gap, and on top, let's draw 2 circles again for the eyes. And then 2 more circles inside at the bottom. And color both of these in black. Now let's draw the shape of the head. From the top eye, let's draw a curve out to the left. Then wave it in, out, and back down, connecting it to the neck. Now let's add the beak on the right side. Let's start under the eye and let's draw a curve out and down. Then curve it back in, connecting it to the neck, like this. And again, let's move inside and let's draw a curve down, and then one across at the end. And that's it for the middle head. Now let's move underneath and draw the last one. Let's start underneath on the right and let's draw 2 curves outwards. Now again, let's hop up and let's draw 2 circles for the eyes. And then 2 more inside. And color both of these in black. Now let's add the shape of the head. Let's start on top of the right eye and let's draw a curve up and down. Then 1 more wavy line to close it off. Now let's hop underneath and add the beak. Let's draw an S-shaped curve down on the right. And then curve it back in and over to the neck. And again inside, let's draw a curve down and then a curve across at the end. And that's it for the heads. Now let's move in and draw the body. Let's start under and let's draw lines down on both sides. Now let's move down and let's draw a curve across. And now underneath, let's add the wings. Let's start under on the left and let's draw a V-shaped curve down and up. And then one more larger one on the left to close it off. And now let's do the same thing on the right side. Now on the right side of the body here, let's add the tail. Let's draw a small angle down, and then 3 points up and back down to close off the tail. And that's it for the body. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start under the center of the body and let's draw 2 long lines down. And now let's do the same thing on the outside, but let's make this line a little bit shorter. Now underneath the middle line, let's draw a small curve on both sides. And then from the outside line, let's draw a wavy line out and down like this. And then close off the bottom of each foot with a wavy line across. And that's it for Ricky, Mickey, and Ticky. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!